What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. And as you guys saw, the car is filthy. But in this video, we're going to be getting the motor in the car. So the goal for this video is to get the motor in the car, start buttoning it up to hopefully either at the end of this video or next video be able to turn it on and be able to start driving it and breaking it in, because that's when the fun's going to start. Sorry that we haven't been posting as much. There's been a lot of updates in terms of the CJ fam. We're going to go ahead and start dropping the motor in, buttoning it up, and then hopefully either this video or next video turning it on and starting to drive it. The motor is in the car sitting there on its own, but it needs some help. We're gonna go ahead now and start attacking the car. I'm gonna show you as much as I can. If you guys haven't been watching the channel up until now, this is a D16 Y8. It is a VTEC motor, the Vitara Pistons, Speed Factory Racing long rods, D16 Z6 remanufactured crank. Really, that's it. Stock head, OEM head gasket, and we're gonna see what we can do. So let's get it running, and then we'll have some fun with this thing. You started?
Yes.
Ready?
I mean, it's in there, but I'm asking for consent.
We're able to get quite a bit done in the engine bay. I'll show you now. We have just about everything together. Still have some like wire cleanup to do, but I just want to make sure all the injectors are in the right place first. Turbo's connected. We don't have the new intercooler on yet. I think for braking we might use the old intercooler still. Not 100% sure, but everything else is pretty much together. I think now I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the suspension wrapped back up. That way we can put the wheels on, and then once the wheels are on, we'll put the intercooler and then give it a first start and start doing the braking cycle. In the Altezza, I did more of a soft braking, and I don't know, for me, I think the rings were not seating properly. I'm gonna do a more aggressive braking. I've heard a bunch of people say braking in soft, some people say braking in hard, so we're gonna do it hard this time. Check for leaks and crackles. Yeah, there's a flashlight there.
I have the big one here.
Okay.
Preparations.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Do it again. Do it again.
Whoa! Why?
That could be timing.
Yeah, let me check the distributor.
Yeah, check the distributor.
Sounded like an explosion, babe.
Yeah, no, it sounds like it's off time, so let me flip the distributor 180 degrees. Get away, because this is kind of fighting me. If I put it all the way back around, it goes right in there. No, that's the right way to put it.
That's the right way?
Yeah. I have a screwdriver, so just use that.
Got it! Ugh. I don't got it. Don't tell him that I don't got it. I'm gonna put you over here. Ready?
Yeah.
Well, that was freaking scary.
I don't know what else to do, because everything should be correct. Let me double check that the coils are accurate, but it should be.
This time it was that the spark plugs were out of order.
Ready?
Yeah, baby.
So it runs,
It
but it had to
runs.
leak. It had to leak from somewhere.
Why?
What?
I heard air seeping from somewhere.
Air?
Yeah, I don't know if. One thing I can
Do you want
do
me
is
to try
maybe-
starting it and you
Yeah.
listen?
Yeah, if you can, please. What's going on, guys? So the car's running. It didn't blow up. There was a few moments there where I thought it was, but I don't know, man. It ended up being that the first issue was the distributor. I put the wires on wrong. I don't know how I put them wrong. It must have been a night that it was late and I wasn't paying attention and did it upside down or something, but the wire was wrong, causing the backfires. Once we got that fixed, it turned on, but now we have a hissing from the throttle body. I'm about 84% sure it's the map sensor, the O-ring that's there. It is the older O-ring because I didn't have it anymore, so I'm gonna go pick one up, but it's already like 11 o'clock, so we can't get one tonight. So we're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I know it had been a long time since we got an upload. Uploads are gonna be becoming more consistent now. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, any concerns, feel free to let us know. If you have any suggestions, let us know. And we'll see you guys on the next upload. And this time it won't be 4 months away.